So I got two $5 grab bags from Michael's today. It looked like something with resin from the little hole I could see through. They said that it was mostly going to be Halloween and some Thanksgiving, as well as stuff from their clearance section. I had another container that looked like it had some cake decorations and pans in it, but I put that one back because I saw another one that looked like it had resin in it, but I think I ended up getting two similar boxes. So let's see what all we got. Looks like the first item is a mold release from We Are Memory Keepers. It was $80. So I think that's a huge score. This was the thing I thought was resin, but I'm still very excited for that. We'll see how that works. Next item, it's metal, but it might be a cookie sheet. It says it was 13 and then clearance to 10. Some headbands. They say single, in love, over it, taken, hot mess, and sweet. It's actually a nice headband, so even if you wanted to take off this, I think it's felt, you can. A little tumbler, and yeah. You can color that or just leave it out, put something else in it, and have a nice tumbler. There's lots of cupcake liners. Some beads to make some jewelry. They're just the plastic beads. Stickers. Yeah, this could be interesting. It's to make a train. Oops. It says plastic cloth, and it looks like you use it to make some grass and things on. It'll be interesting. Personalize it aprons, and I'm not sure how many are inside. Looks like there are a couple of them inside. One size fits most. Oh, 5-piece. It says it was $21 originally. Cake drip, so that could be fun to decorate a cake with and get some drippings. Straight shot air hose. High strength polyurethane, fits all airbrushes. I'll have to look into that more, but that could be something cool to look into as well. I did just get a air gun, just a cheap one off Amazon that I've been playing around with. We have some sheets for the mold release, so we can make some more molds with the plastic, so that'll be great. It looks like we actually got two of them. They're really heavy. It says it was $40, so it's not bad for $5 for all of this. Trash. I think this is one of just a little towel that has witch hats on it. Another beads, plastic beads. Another one. And then white heat transfer. Fabric. It just says fabric tissue. Heat transfer silhouette. So I'll have to look at that closer, but I think it's the paper you lay down, so when you're doing heat transfer, it doesn't transfer onto your iron. So I was actually looking at getting some of that, so that's perfect. It says it was $20. Another bead. And another one of the landscape train. And then I got lots of vinyl. This is permanent vinyl, was $15. $15 permanent vinyl. Another one. This one was also $15 iron-on. This is HTV, so iron-on. It was $25. And then another one of those iron-ons. And even if you don't like the patterns, they're still very useful if you want to make stencils. I'll use it a lot on my stencils, cut out a design on my Cricut, and then it's okay, no one's going to see the pattern. So that was quite a big haul for only $5. I'm very happy with that box. Two, three, four, five, six, 7 things of vinyl. Let me just put that aside and see. The next box. We got another mold kit. Something glittery is in there. And more molds, so that'll be great. This one looks like it's more Halloween and some pumpkin stuff. This is like a banner. It'd be great to maybe gift for teachers to make a little board for their classroom. We got 2 of them. I have a friend that's a teacher, so I might gift that to her. A little pumpkin design. Be good for kids. It says Halloween paint, and it is glow-in-the-dark paint. So that'd be kind of fun. I've been wanting to try some glow-in-the-dark paint. Not sure what I'll use it for yet, but if you have some ideas, let me know in the comments. Maybe thinking something outdoor in the garden, like a fairy garden, or maybe a pot or something to glow outside to make the garden look nice at night. But again, if you have any ideas what to use that for, let me know. The Day of the Dead, it looks like it is the decoration of like a cookie. It has some markers and icing in the back. Another one, Sugar Skull. It's an embroidery kit. Been wanting to do some embroidery, try it out. So that could be fun. I don't know if I'll do that exact design, but I can use the floss for something. It's a little bent up, but we can rearrange it, a little headband. Pumpkin headband. Again, this can easily come off, and you can use just the headband. This styrofoam ball would be good to put flowers in. So, don't have to use it for what it's intended for. Another cookie. Another cookie. And one more. The number 3. then for the Day of the Dead, I think it's supposed to be where you put someone that you have lost inside this little decorative box, just to kind of remember them. I have 2 of them. The tissue paper stuff's going to be fun to do, and my cat, depending how big it is, might think it's a nice bed or something fun for him as well. So I think that's everything in that box. I think both were really good boxes. I'm happy. Not bad for $10 total. And I think my favorite thing is going to be that mold release thing. But I'm also really excited about that hot glue in the dark paint, as well as just extra vinyl is always nice. And this. So let me know what your favorite item I got was, and if you've gotten a grab bag as well. Thanks for watching, happy crafting, and don't forget to check out my website, knfdesign.com, for just crafts I've been working on and ideas of what you can do with stuff. Thanks.